Because of my contacts from last year, someone messaged me on Wednesday and he said, I have an event this weekend, Friday and Saturday. Can you place the machine? I told him, yeah, of course. But I was thinking the machine is not okay yet, so I have to run some tests. But I said, yeah, let's do it. And this was only the profit, only this. So it's 50 euros. Of course, 50 euros is 50 euros. It's not much, but you know, in winter, normally I get 0 euros. Now I got 50. But financially, that is not the only thing. Let's look at the stocks. We're down 10 euros today, but we're almost up 200 euros. I know it's going slowly because in my last video, I think it was a month ago, I was up 130 euros. So it's only 30 euros profit, still without doing anything, but it's only 30 euros profit in a month. Why? Because I only have 3.5k invested. Let's imagine I have 35k invested, I would have 300 euros profit in 1 month. Still, not much, but it's free money. So I'm not complaining. Let's look at Pfizer. We're down 5% overall. We're down 50 euros overall. Today it's up, but let's always look at the overall number. Also, Pfizer is paying a dividend. It's literally just money Pfizer gives me because I'm a long-term investor. It will pay me on the 7th of March and I will get $14 or 14 euros minus 2 euros 10 because of the taxes, of course. So still 12 euros just for doing nothing actually. The stock is down, but this is the second time I got that dividend. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So I'm only down 25, 26-ish euros. If you look at it that way, of course. If the stock rises, it's even better. I will hit 200 euros in no time. If this keeps going. With that being said, if this can keep going, because nobody knows what Europe will do, what Trump is gonna do, how the trade war is going. There are some uncertainties in the world right now and also in the market. You can see it every day. It's so volatile. The market goes up. Within 5 minutes, it goes down. It goes sideways. This is just a little too crazy, too good, too bad sometimes. I don't know what's gonna happen. Probably because of the market's rise the last years, it will probably go down. Probably. I don't know for sure, but I think it will go down. That being said, I will still keep investing because of my calculations. My calculations were every month I put in an amount and that will gain money over time. It doesn't matter if the stock is up or down. I just keep putting in the money. I don't care if it's dropping. I just keep putting in money. Because if the stock market will rise again, I will have so much money invested, it will snowball. It will just make me rich without doing anything. Now I'm at 3.5k. That's nothing. Now, if you remember the 2025 challenge video, my 2025 goals, this account must have 10k by the end of the year. So by, let's say, January 1 of 2026. I'm still short 6.5k. Also, with that being said, the stock market is still going good for me. We're up 170 euros. It's going great. I see a bright future and I see a future with a lot of money. This was our financial update. Thank you for watching. Take care.